To get started with Axiom Trade, you'll need to create an account. And once you've done so, you'll have access to a range of features and tools. The main screen displays a list of current coins, including pair information, market cap, liquidity, volume, and audit log. From here, you can buy coins directly, and you also have the option to view the 24-hour, 6-hour, 1-hour, or 5-minute leaderboard. Additionally, you can use filters to narrow down your search, selecting specific protocols, keywords, and parameters such as minimum and maximum values. The platform also allows you to customize your settings, including preset options, slippage, priority, and bribe fees. You can quickly buy a specific amount of coins, and your presets are always visible, no matter where you are on the platform. The wallet tracker feature enables you to track specific wallets, and you can add, import, and export wallets as needed. Another useful tool is the Twitter tracker, which provides insights into market trends and activity. Although this feature requires a minimum trade of 5 Solana to access, the platform also displays the current prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana in USD, along with recommended priority and bribe fees, connection information, and region settings. You can customize your notifications, background theme, and watch list ticker, and you also have the option to join a community, follow social media accounts, or access documentation. The platform is divided into different sections, including polls, trackers, and portfolio management. In the polls section, you can view new pairs, final stretch, and migrated coins, and you can customize the display to suit your preferences. The trackers section allows you to monitor your wallets, perpetuals, and yield, and you can earn passive income through the API. Your portfolio is also accessible, along with rewards for referrals and points for participating in the platform. You can search for specific tokens, deposit or buy coins, and convert your assets as needed. The watch list and notifications features keep you up to date with market activity. And you can view your total Solana value, copy your address, exchange, withdraw, or deposit funds. The account and security settings allow you to manage your wallets, recovery key, and rewards, and you can log out or access additional features from the profile icon. Overall, Axiom Trade provides a comprehensive platform for managing your cryptocurrency portfolio and staying informed about market trends.